Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the chick from 99 Nights in the Forest. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing a large rectangle for the shape of the head. Now let's hop inside and draw the face. In the center, let's draw two squares for the eyes. And color these both in black. Now top underneath, and for the beak, we'll start with a long sideways rectangle. And then a smaller one underneath. Let's step in and let's draw two lines down and a line across the bottom. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head, and we're going to step in and draw two lines down. And then close it off with a line across. Now for the wings, let's start on the sides and let's draw an angle down. And another one underneath. And then close off the bottom of each side. Next, let's hop to the bottom and draw the feet. Let's start with two lines down in the center. Then we're going to hop out and let's draw a curve down and out. Now starting from the inside, let's draw a line across, bringing it out further. Bring it down at the end. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for the chick. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!